Welcome to Burlington Woods, a sweet neighborhood located within walking distance to Freedom Park and the Williamsburg Indoor Sports Complex. Wonderfully situated near New Town and the Outlet Mall, all of Williamsburg is within easy access. 5501 Burlington Lane is a transitional colonial home offering 3,064 square feet of living space with a two-car garage, large lot, and a spacious bonus room on the second floor. The traditional part of the floor plan includes a foyer that is flanked by the dining and living rooms. Hardwood floors flow through the living, dining, and kitchen spaces. With so many windows, light sparkles throughout the house. The formal dining room flows into the kitchen for easy entertaining. This well-appointed kitchen features a gas stove, granite counters, and stainless steel appliances. The main floor office is tucked privately behind the kitchen and offers a backyard view. Enjoy a casual meal in the morning room or at the bar height counter. The center island offers plenty of prep space, and storage abounds with cabinetry and a pantry. The heart of the home is the open concept family room and kitchen. Gather around the center island, sit in the breakfast nook, or cozy up by the fireplace in the family room. The family room will invite you to sit and relax. The new back deck is the perfect place for morning coffee. The trex decking is perfect for low-maintenance outdoor entertaining for years to come. This home is situated on a large, level lot. The backyard is private, fenced, and wooded. The second floor offers a primary suite plus 3 additional bedrooms. Relax and unwind in the primary bedroom with a full ensuite bath. The ensuite features a garden tub and double sinks. Enjoy a walk-in shower and plenty of storage in the walk-in closet. The 3 generous guest bedrooms share easy access to the full hall bath. Also on the second floor is a large bonus room. Perhaps this is a space for kids or teens, homework, media, games, or exercise. You have so many options with this fabulous space. 5501 Burlington Lane is ready for you. Call today to schedule your private showing.